To line dance with Christiane, yes we can. This is a review of stitches. It's already on my channel, the demo and the tutorial. So here's a quick review. With the words, review of the 32 counts of stitches. From the top, 5, 6, 7, 8. Go back, kick, rock, recover, and a toe, heel, cross, point, in, step, hold, and step. Rock, recover, toe, heel, half, pivot, step, sweep, cross, back, side, cross, back, together, twist, twist. That's it. With counts, a little bit faster. From the top, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good. And on that last one, some people put the heel up and the toe. You can do all sorts of fun style things with that. And there is one restart on wall 9, which is the third time you come to your home wall after 16 counts. See you.